Hello everybody, this is a quick HD2 review and basic feature guide. I go through some of the basic features of the HD2. It's my personal phone, I've had it for quite some time. Definitely not easy on it, but as you can tell it's in pretty decent condition, consider. First thing you'll notice is the size. Huge touchscreen. The size there is compared to, say, this iPhone 3G right here. Thickness wise, about the same. Everyone says it's a big phone, but it fits in your pocket really nice, fits in your hand nice, it doesn't feel big. Alright, the touchscreen itself is 4.3 inch, which is huge in relative terms. Feels good though, I mean it's really quick, picks up your movement really easy, one of the best touchscreens I've ever used. Slide through all the bottom menus here. It's got some great features, great homepage, great little add-ons everywhere you need all your basic information. Windows guide, got all your features here, all your apps, everything you can possibly need. Now, I know battery life is a huge thing. Battery life on this thing, I cannot complain one bit. Lasts all day long, one charge, quick charging, you can't beat it. Now this is a T-Mobile version, so I have the 3G. 3G is quick, it's not exactly the fastest, but the processor and everything else, it works quick enough. Now, I use the phone for probably about 5-6 months now. Can't say I've had really any issues with it. It says durable, it's easy, it's quick. Basically everything you need in this phone. Issues with it getting bogged down because of too many apps up is always a problem. That's why I always keep my task manager right up front, easy in hand. 5 megapixel camera is amazing. Great pictures. All in all, it's my most used phone. There's a reason for it. It's easy, quick, great picture. Load up with videos, music, whatever you need. Check my email, check Twitter, Facebook. Alright, well that does it for the quick review and basic features of the HTC HD2.